Molder, a tangible design tool for accessible tactile maps. Molder is a tool that enables a designer to create and modify tactile maps. The designer starts the process by getting a draft map. She enters the geographical information of an area in a web page. Molder will generate a draft map model based on the information. Then, she prints the draft model and interacts with the model using tangible objects and an iOS application. Besides the draft model, Molder has 3 additional tangible objects: the physical ruler, tangible widgets, and the indicator. The draft model can be placed in the physical ruler, which has 3 markers. The iOS application locates the draft model by tracking the markers. We have 2 tangible widgets, each with 4 functions: Braille, icon, line, dot, undo, scale, delete, label. Each tangible widget has 2 markers on its 2 sides, which enable Molder to locate their positions. Designers can put the tangible widgets on the physical ruler or combine them into a palette. The indicator is used in the scale function and is a rectangle that has 5 trackable markers. The designer can explore the printed model through visual and auditory feedback. The designer puts a red sticker on one of her fingers. The sticker allows Molder to track the position of the finger. When the designer briefly touches on a building, Molder will report the ID of the building.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
She can hold her finger on the building to select the building and get the detailed design information of the building. Molder also renders a flash animation on the selected building.
5. 5 selected, no label, no braille, no pattern.
The draft model may contain unnecessary buildings, and the designer can delete these buildings. Now, the designer is trying to delete building 4. She selects the building and then chooses the delete function.
4. 4 selected, no label, no braille, no pattern. Delete. Hold to apply. Applied, delete. Please select a building first.
When the designer tries to select the deleted building again, Molder will provide auditory information to indicate the status of the building.
No element, already deleted.
The designer can assign a tactile pattern to a building. There are 3 types of tactile pattern: icon, dot, and line. The designer selects building 3 and then chooses the dot function.
3. 3 selected, no label, no braille, no pattern. Dot. Hold to apply. Applied, dot. Model updated.
The designer can add a braille label to a building. The designer selects building 1 and then chooses the braille function.
1. 1 selected, no label, no braille, no pattern. Braille. Hold to apply. Applied.
Then she enters the content of the braille label in a pop-up box. The designer can use VoiceOver's dictation function to enter text.
Alert. Enter text. Text field is
Library.
inserted. Confirm. Button. Library edit mode. Button. Model updated.
In addition to tangible braille labels, the designer can also add virtual audio labels. The designer selects building 5 and chooses the label function. Then she enters text in a pop-up text box.
5. 5 selected, no label, no braille, no pattern. Label. Hold to apply. Applied. Alert. Enter text. Text field.
Hotel.
Inserted hotel. Confirm. Button. Hotel edit mode. Button.
The designer can resize the model using the indicator. The right end of the indicator stands for the final width of the model. To make the model smaller, she moves the indicator to the left. To make the model bigger, she moves the indicator to the right. Then she holds the scale function to apply the change.
Scale. Hold to apply. Applied scale. Applied scale successfully.
If the designer makes a mistake, she can use the undo function. The designer accidentally deletes building 6. She can hold the undo function to bring the building back.
6. 6 selected, no label, no braille, no pattern. Delete. Hold to apply. Applied delete. Please select a building first. Undo. Hold to apply. Applied undo. Undo. Recovering 6 from deletion. Model updated.
Molder has an interaction mode that allows students to explore the model with its tactile features and audio labels.
Edit mode. Button. Interaction mode. Hotel.